I am really looking forward to this next episode because I am going to be doing an unboxing. And what I'm going to be unboxing is a new GoPro Hero 8 Black, along with some really cool accessories. The reason I finally decided to jump into the world of GoPro after several months, I would even say a few years now, I've been watching GoPro and I hadn't been ready to pull the trigger. But now that I'm doing this new YouTube channel and I'm vlogging on a much more regular basis, I realize that when I'm out in nature, my current setup, which is the camera that I'm using to record this video, is a Canon T6i, and it actually does a great job recording video. It comes with 4K video. It's pretty lightweight for a camera. However, there are a lot of inconveniences, I would say, especially when I'm out walking in nature. First of all, even though it's a really light camera, it gets kind of heavy carrying it around when I'm holding it up like this trying to film myself. And in addition to that, when I'm driving and trying to record trips that I take, there's just way too much camera shake. It is just impossible to keep it still so it's a nice smooth drive. And so those are just a couple of the reasons that I am really looking forward to doing this switch over. But I know that there's probably a lot of you that are watching this that were in the same shoes that I am in. Like, do I need a GoPro? I mean, maybe you don't do vlogging, maybe you don't do trips into nature. Maybe it's just filming your kids in the swimming pool and filming vacations. And what is the video quality like? What's the photography like? Well, those are the types of things that I hope to show you over the next several months. And in fact, if you want, you can take a look at my last episode, which is titled Vacation from Isolation. And it's our first trip, my first trip along with my wife and son, where we went out into nature for the first time since COVID-19 and this social distancing. And I used my Canon T6i to record that. And so you can actually see in the beginning of the video, maybe 2-3 minutes in, I record the drive up the hill, and so you can see the camera shake. I did the best I could with my editing software to try to soften that up and make it not so bumpy, but you could still notice the camera shake if you pay attention. Hopefully it's not a distraction though. But what I also plan on doing is next week my family is going to take a trip to Del Mar Beach, and we're going to go visit the beach, and I'm going to take the GoPro out and just test it. I'm going to test the drive to make sure that the image stabilization is good. I'm going to be putting it underwater. I'm going to be purposely trying to at least capture 1 or 2 good pictures to see if it's possible to capture high quality images on this camera, because if so, this is a win-win for both video and photography, especially when you're taking vacations, because it's such a lightweight system. Well, what I want to do right now is I want to go ahead and start unboxing all of my new goodies. And if you have any questions or comments, please put your comments below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And if you like this content, will you do me a huge favor? Would you please hit the like button along with the subscribe button, and then hit the little bell. The little bell will it will alert you anytime that I upload new content. But when you like videos and you subscribe, it tells YouTube that you like the content you're watching, and it helps me get out to a broader audience. Well, let's go ahead and take a look at what I got. I'm really looking forward to it. And again, be looking for next week's episode as well, because I'm going to go out and test drive the new GoPro Hero 8. Okay, so here you see I've got my new GoPro Hero 8 Black, along with some really cool accessories that I purchased. GoPros are becoming more and more popular, especially with anything that has to do with action and adventure. The reason I chose the GoPro Hero 8 is because I have been researching these for a couple of years now, and this one here finally won me over after looking at multiple reviews on this camera as well as some of the additional features that are offered now. Let me share some of the specs with you to explain why I was so excited to get this system. First off, it comes with Hypersmooth 2.0 stabilization with multiple levels of stabilization, including boost and in-app horizon leveling. That is a game changer. The GoPro Hero 8 also offers a really cool time warp effect and auto speed selection. It has built-in mounting. It offers 4 different built-in lenses: narrow, distortion-free linear, wide angle, and super view. GoPro also offers a fantastic camera system with an improved HDR to give you wonderful contrast and the opportunity to capture amazing action shots. It also offers live burst mode to capture 1.5 seconds before and after you hit the shutter so that you can pick your favorite shot from 90 still images, or you can choose to keep a 3-second 4K video clip. It also offers night lapse video in 4K, 2.7K, 1440p, or 1080p. It also has high fidelity audio with 3 mics and reduced wind noise. And another important feature is that it is waterproof right out of the box, all the way down to 33 feet. So you can see why I'm so excited to get this for my vlogging. I will also do a review on this at a later date once I get some mileage on it. As you can see, it comes beautifully packaged. On the side, it shows you the different accessories that comes with it. On the back, it invites you to download the GoPro app either from Google Play or in the App Store. And it shows you a lot of different features that come with this camera. Why don't we go ahead and open up our GoPro Hero 8 Black and see what it comes with. Now, I have already opened this up, but I want to show you. This will come with a little blue tab here, and that's where you want to pull. You want to open it up from the blue tab, and the reason for that is you want to keep the box in nice shape in case you ever want to resell it. So you see here that the GoPro Hero 8 comes attached with the thumb screw here and has a box. Let's go ahead and pull it off. Now, when you pull off the GoPro Hero 8, what you're going to do is you want to pull up on the little tab right here, and then you want to squeeze these fingers here together and push forward. This tab protects it whenever it's installed on one of its mounts. It protects it from actually having the fingers squeezed together and the GoPro accidentally coming off. So what we're going to do to take it off is we're going to lift that tab up, we're going to squeeze the fingers in, and we're just going to push forward like so. As you can see, we've got the GoPro Hero 8. You can see how the size of it as it fits in my hand. Let's go ahead and take a look at what's inside the box. So this little tab here isn't really used for anything other than holding the GoPro camera to the packaging, although there are creative ways to repurpose that, but that's for another video. Okay, so when you open up the GoPro Hero 8 box, I'm just going to open it up like so, and you'll see that it comes with literature on top. And let me set this here. So here is where it allows you to try GoPro Plus for free, and it talks about unlimited iCloud storage of your GoPro footage. Plus, when you do GoPro Plus, you can get damaged camera replacements and no questions asked. So that's something nice to have. If you need help and need to talk to somebody, this is a way to get a hold of them. It comes with some nice GoPro stickers. Again, an invitation for the App Store, and then you have the product and safety instructions here. Okay, as we open the box further, we can see that there are some accessories that are inside of it. First thing we see here is a GoPro battery. And you can tell this is the new GoPro battery because of the blue back. The older versions didn't come with the blue, and so that's how you can tell this is for the GoPro Hero 8. As you can see, it also comes with the sticky mount, and it also comes with the charging and data cable. Also, as you can see, the GoPro Hero 8 comes with what is called a buckle mount. And what is holding the GoPro Hero 8 onto the buckle mount is a thumb screw. And so you just unscrew the thumb screw like so, and it just pulls right off. What holds the GoPro to this buckle mount are these little tabs here, and that is something that is really nice with the new GoPro Hero 8, is these tabs are actually built in, so you don't have to put it inside of a cage. Okay, the next thing I want to look at is a GoPro travel case. As you can see, I already took it out of the packaging, but I assure you, it comes with really nice packaging. Inside of the GoPro travel case, you can see that I already have it set up for my camera. So basically what you do is you can put your GoPro camera here, and you'll see that when the media mod is attached to the camera in a little while, it fits really well. But the GoPro travel kit, it comes with this nice bag. It also comes with a Shorty mini extension pole and tripod that extends up to 8.9 inches and can be propped up on any level surface or even used as a tripod. As you see, I have it here. And so you can hold it like so. You can make it shorter. It also comes with a multi-purpose magnetic swivel clip. And this is a nice feature to have, as it allows you to clip your GoPro to your backpack strap or any gear for that matter, or use the magnet on the backside to stick to metal surfaces. And here you see that it also comes with the buckle mount with the thumb screw as well. And so that is a really nice option from GoPro, this travel case. Okay, the next thing that I want to talk to you about is a dual battery charger and battery. As you can see here, the Hero 8 Black offers a dual battery charger and battery. And just so you know, the Hero 8, as I already pointed out, the GoPro Hero 8 also comes with the battery. So when you get the dual battery charger and battery, you'll have 2 batteries for it. I actually have 4 batteries. I ordered 2 extra just because I know I will need them. But let's open this up so you can see what this looks like. And this works great. Now, one of the things that I want to share with you about this battery charger is when you first get your GoPro and you charge a battery, it probably took about 3 or 4 hours to get it fully charged up. So I would recommend you do that right from the beginning. As you can see, this is a really nice battery charger. And how it works is you just stick this in like this, and there will be an orange light right here, and when it is done charging, it will turn green. One more thing that's important to remember is at the top of the battery there is a little tab. Make sure you don't pull that off, because what that is used for is when you want to pull it out of the battery charger, as well as when you're pulling it out of your GoPro camera. That's what that tab's for, is just to pull it off with that tab. So don't take that off, or it's going to make it very difficult to remove your battery. Okay, the next thing that I want to talk to you about is something that I'm really looking forward to using, and that is the suction cup. Again, in my previous videos, you could see that I've had a lot of issues when I'm driving in my car with camera shake. And you'll notice it on some videos that I'm going to be releasing over the next couple of months from Yellowstone as well as from the Grand Tetons. I filmed my traveling with my Canon T6i, and I just was unable to get it set up to where I didn't have camera shake. And so this suction cup is going to be a game changer for me as far as the travel footage. The GoPro Suction Cup allows you to attach your GoPro to cars, boats, motorcycles, and more. And the way it works is it has a locking lever right here, and you just lift that up, and then you attach this to the window or surface, and you push down on the little, as you can see, this, when you push down on this, it causes the suction cup to suction, and then as it's pushed down, you just simply pull the locking lever, and that's what locks it into place. This industrial strength suction cup mount is proven at speeds of over 150 miles an hour, and it is engineered for stability and a broad range of motion. And it includes a standard base and a quick release base for moving conveniently between shots and locations, but you want to make sure you attach it to a clean surface. Included with the suction cup mount is this short extension arm for cockpits or wheel wells, and it also comes with the long extension arm, which allows for more versatility and range of motion. The next accessory I want to talk to you about is the Handler, which is a floating hand grip. And this is an essential accessory, especially if you plan on spending time in the water, especially lakes and oceans. If you drop your camera And even though it's waterproof, you may not be able to go down deep enough to get it. And so that's what the Handler floating hand grip is made for. So it allows you to wrap this around your wrist like so, and it's got a nice grip for your camera. The way you insert your camera is with a buckle mount. So you lift up the tab on the buckle mount, you slide it through here, and then you wait for the click. You always have to hear that click. And then you put the tab back down like that, and there you have it. Okay, the next thing that I want to share with you is the media mod. I have to tell you, the media mod is what finally caused me to pull the trigger and purchase the GoPro HERO 8 in order to use it as my primary outdoor vlogging camera. The media mod features a built-in directional mic and a 3.5mm mic port for your favorite external mics. It also has an HDMI out port for easy playback on your TV and 2 cold shoe mounts to attach lights, mics, or LCD screens. The final thing that I want to look at is the light mod. Now the light mod is actually waterproof up to 33 feet and it is rechargeable. As you can see, not only does it work on the media mod, but you can also wear it on the headgear. So if you're hiking late at night or in a dark cave or tunnel, you can use it as a light. You can also attach it to the tripod, to the shorty, or even onto a bicycle handlebar or any other kind of bar. It's very versatile. As you can see, the light mod comes with the charging cable. It also comes with the diffuser that you can use. As you can see, on the bottom of the light mod is where you attach to the shoe on the media mod. And on the top is the power button. Inside this little flap here is where you plug in your USB-C cable when you need to recharge it. Here's the back. And so the power button is on the top. You just hold it down and it powers it on. And so here you see it's pretty bright. And so you see it has 3 levels of brightness, and then it even has blinking lights. And so now let me go ahead and put it onto the media mod, and you can see how that looks. I do have one more accessory that I cannot wait to get in. I have it back ordered right now, and that is the display mod. And the display mod will attach right here to the top of the camera, and then I will actually move the light over to the side here, to the shoe over here. But I'm really looking forward to getting the display mod. That'll be really helpful as I'm doing vlogging and want to have the GoPro focused on me. But this is it for now. This is the GoPro HERO 8 Black that I recently received, and these are all of the accessories that I purchased with it. And so again, make sure you tune in next week as I'm going to take this out for a test drive to the Del Mar Beach. Well guys, I want to thank you for joining me for this unboxing, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Once again, if you could do me a huge favor and hit the like button and the subscribe button, that would really help me out and keep me bringing more content like this to you in the future. And please don't forget, next week I will be uploading another video of my GoPro test drive where I'm going to take it down to the beach, and we're gonna just try it out and see what happens. And so I hope I can bring some good content for you and get you fired up about this new GoPro HERO 8. And other than that, I guess I've run out of things to say and talk about at this point. So I want to thank you again for joining me today. Hope you have a great day. Stay safe, and again, go out and capture the world.